Hello kids, you are watching the Kids Screen. Today we are going to learn about the solar system in a very simple and interesting way. So kids, let's start. Dear kids, our solar system comprises of 8 major planets. We will discuss them one by one. The major properties of each planet is being discussed herein. This is Mercury, the fastest, smallest, and nearest planet of the solar system. It has holes which are called craters. Kids, this is Venus, which is brightest and hottest planet of the solar system. This is also called the twin planet of our Earth. Earth, which is fifth largest and densest planet of our solar system. Dear kids, this is also called the blue planet. This is Mars, the fourth planet. Kids, this is also called the red planet as its environment is covered with carbon dioxide. This is Jupiter, the largest planet of the solar system. Moreover, it is gaseous in its nature. This is Saturn, which was discovered by Galileo. This is the ring planet and it is also named as second largest planet of the solar system. This is Uranus, which was discovered by William Herschel in 1787. This is called the coldest planet of the solar system. Last planet, Neptune. It is slowest to move and also termed as twin of Uranus because of similarity in mass, size and composition. Last but not least, this is a trick acronym to remember the names of these planets. This is Mwanj Sun. For more learning and education-based videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello kids, welcome to Kids Screen. Kids, what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do any work. Energy cannot be destroyed, it can only be converted from one form to another form. Energy resources can be classified in two categories. One is renewable and other is non-renewable energy resources. Renewable energy resources include the solar, hydro, geothermal and wind energy. Kids, we get solar energy from the radiations of the sun and that energy can be converted into electricity. Wind energy can be taken from the wind that is used to run the turbines and they generate the electricity for us. Third form of renewable energy is water or hydel energy, and the major resources are rain and the dams. Thermal energy is also renewable energy, and the major resources are hot springs and the geysers. The second category of energy resources are non-renewable energy resources. They include the fuel energy, nuclear energy, and the thermal energy. This is thermal energy that can be taken from the solid and liquid fuels. Fossil fuels like coal and oil resources are the major source of non-renewable energy resources. Nuclear energy can be taken from nucleus of different atoms. They result from fission and fusion reactions. Hence, kids, these are all the forms of energy resources, but we should keep in mind that we should promote the use of renewable energy resources and cut the use of non-renewable energy resources to save our environment. For more educational videos, please like and subscribe our channel, The Kids Screen. are going to learn about the healthy and a balanced diet in our life. The major elements of balanced diet are minerals, nutrients, fibers, and vitamins. Major nutrients comprises of lipids, carbohydrates, proteins, and vitamins. The major sources of nutrients are meat, milk, vegetables, and the fruits, and we should eat that daily. These are dietary fibers that keep balance in our body and prevent us from constipation and other diseases. Vitamins can be classified in two categories: the fat-soluble vitamins and the water-soluble vitamins. Kids, vitamins are very much important for our body. Now I am going to show you the major sources of them. Milk, butter, eggs, guava and other fruits, peas and seeds. For more such educational and informational videos, please like and subscribe our channel, The Kids Screen. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello kids, welcome to the Kids Screen. Hello Mama, what are you studying? I would love to know that. I was studying about the units and you are supposed to learn them as well. Of course, why not Mama? I will learn them all. This is Newton. Say Newton. This is the unit of force. Force. This is Kelvin. Say Kelvin. This is the unit of temperature. Temperature. This is ampere. Say ampere. This is the unit of current. Current. This is meter. Say meter. This is the unit of length. This is watt. Say watt. This is the unit of power. Power. This is becquerel. Say becquerel. This is the unit of radioactivity. This is angle. Say angle. This is the unit of degree. Wow! It was very informational. Thank you, Mama. For such more educational and informational videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello kids, welcome to Kids Screen. Hello Jack, what are you doing in this garden? Daddy, I am planting a tree.
Have you ever tried to learn about the parts of the trees? Let's do it today.
These are the major parts of the tree: the root, trunk, branches, fruit, and the flowers.
First of all, let's talk about the roots of tree. The primary function of roots is to take water and nutrients from the soil and survive the plant even in harsh environment. Now let's talk about the function of leaves. The primary function of leaves is the process of photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, they prepare food of the plants, which is a very primary job. Now let's talk about stem or trunk of the tree. Stem or trunk connects roots to the limbs of plant. It supports the crown of the tree. Trunk also acts as a large pipe which transport nutrients and water from root to the upper body of tree. Now let's talk about flowers as a part of tree. Flowers are main source of pollination in plants. They help in fertilization in plants. This is mainly carried through insects, bees, and butterflies.
Let's talk about the branches of the tree.
Another most important part of the tree is branches, which are also known as limbs of the tree. Their biggest function is to provide structure and support to the plants. Last but not least, never forget to grow and water more plants. They keep our environment clean.
For such more education-based videos, please like and subscribe our channel.